Hello, this is Arm Strawberry, and this is tutorial 1 of my C++ tutorial series. And today we're going over getting our first output. This will be the simplest form of coding, getting an output that says words of some sort. So first thing we're going to do is to get this, to be able to write code, you need to right click on source files, click add, click new item. And then you're going to click the C++ CPP file right there. First thing you want to do is you want to put in what a preprocessor file called, and how you do that is you do include brackets IOStream. So this is a file that gets read before your code, and IOStream in particular allows for input and output. Next, you are going to write int main. Int is a variable type, meaning integer. I'll be going over that in the next video, variable types and how to make your own variables. So this underline right here means there's something wrong, and it's because with every function you need parentheses right here, and then curly brackets. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to type in std, cout. So std means standard. It's a namespace, and it owns this function called cout, which allows us to output words on our code. So let's just say words, and these have to be within the quotation marks. And line, oh, that also needs to be std, : System is a already defined function within, so you don't have to put std in there for standard. And you will type in pause, and this will stop when we go to debug, it will, instead of just opening up the window and closing it, it will stay open. Now we put a semicolon at each line of code, and the reason why we don't have it here is because this is just a function variable name. This is saying this is a function. This is the actual code that has to do with the function. Return 0. We can hit build solution to make sure everything is good. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Shouldn't take too long. And we succeeded. And now we can hit debug and hit start debugging, and words should pop up. There we go. Took a while. My computer's being a little slow today. What you also can do with cout is you can extend it, right? So quotations, you're going to want to add a space in between this, so there's a space between words in this. We'll just do I did it. And then you have to put another set. All in one line. And if we wanted to do a different line, you just do second line. Simple enough. Oh, we need 2 colons. All right, try that again. And there you go. So what did we do? So we included the preprocessor file, IOStream, to allow for input and output. Then we included int. Well, we didn't include. We wrote int main, intermediate integer, and main mean main function. Is where everything's going to be at the end. We use the function given from the namespace standard for output and ending a line. We're able to get an output of words, and then we use the system function to pause it, and then we return nothing. And we'll get into return types later. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Subscribe if this helped, and stay tuned to the next video.